fáilte ráis ná chéad fáilte go Páirc Róca dar sa Ficanis Corran Christy Ring, Kildara and Naibio. Súla caiilen spéisiúla seo cé go raibh clipa aontaobh go maith atar nó hastíad ar chéile níos luatha inta go mórtas bhí bua slachtar ag Kildara an Thamsin nach bhí bua slachtar ag Roscommán ar Hiróin níos luatha ag Glyphicani ar go mórtas Nicky Record bhaint Hiróin díaltas amach an seo. Meic man just go a tharlamh agus tá ón ó dufan an seo mar bhí muid rá ní rá mór an daoine súl go múthach Hiróin níl mór an daoine súl ón go mútha Muon seo.
No, cinse ag glúir le muintear waú ra bhréh dogréide go bhfuil Kildara híana an fiche chuig ar don chluthe seo ní haga mé rudí cota le sin a chluthe ceannis le tamil fada agus chuig bhua a den scóid Kildara ach ag glúirt le muintear waú an sin tíomh mé agus ag siúil seach agus bhí siad do móral go bhfuil seans de cinenne le an ach aniu tí siad dochas galúir.
Well, sin chun the gúil situation Glyphicanis bhaint amach mar an óid an bhfuil siad chur Nicky Record agus céad ó riamh nó bheith Glypha agus Brenna Mudinis ar na fórne. Brenna orin Kildara dosta bhfuil Brenna líle lechúil a túr go nástarí Kevin Whelan Rian Boran is gone on Boran túr a bhui críomh idir bhenach na héireann atá siar ní anar sa caite agus iad an túrcha a gibbert cumá. Devon Goloras nástarí ar a bhóran cumá. Lorna Porca Cathal McCabe, Paul Divley, Bertha Dul go maithan sin ins na honad sin. Agus manú ar na tosathe, while James Burke agus Johnny Byrne an contact a lína lehalsach agus the Shehan sin captain of Fornia Brian Byrne, Shane Ryan as Cathal Dowling, a reach on túrachas nástarí an wahagar immertí chéile agus iad an éifadach ar fad go dtí seo. Manú ar an bhó, well, Stephen Coyne on agus Bobby Douglas on Turin, Candidate Company, and Lennon Session Lomont and Moyo, Lennon Reeve, agus on Action Gente, Akaharda Blianta. Lorna Parker, Keith Higgins, Sean Undur, Helen Organ Scott, Yara Kalordina, Amoni, Funi Farpose, agus Leonard Trowelesh, Ben Captain and Orham, and the Tossie has a Joseph Moniz, Ballyloch Riach, Gemmerts, Itamar Lahos and Lore, David Shehan, Lena Lontos and Kashud, Owen Delaney, Joseph McManus, as Captain of Fornia, Shane Poland. Father one, Brenno Chin or Cathal McCabe, Owen.
Lorna Parker, Ian Ladger, Gaji shot the Hina knee, I'm sure Cathal McCabe, come widely Hina shock, there's Danielle as the Paul Divley, Lesh, Imrona Blena, a Fihas of Comber the shot, August Tommy tomorrow, the Chona Girl Warrior and Clohan Lanu. Agus é ar a bhhalach an sin leach Keith Higgins agus síling go mé ról lárnach again nniu tasóginn tá sé chúil agus haon cé trocha trí chúlín aimsithe ag Kildara seo agus bé ceinte go dtí go siar.
Agus is gas an seaamh seo ó an a bhíon agus banna ceol ordain. Bhíon mar sin castagus ní léin ceispaí ónach tá rud cinn speisial tú bhí bhainna ceol ordain a bhfuil Páirc Róca.
Tá sé dóile feargáil go siad an seo aniu go sílim go chuann sé leis an lá go chuir lá speisial agus nu trí chluthe ceanna sin dhéchéile agus éitiúd a mar réime.
Sin Rachel Michael Kennedy, lad a bhí ag Gannis an nuair a bhí ag Glyphicanis chur Nicky Record agus fear atá a déanana dul chun cín an bhá san réiteoireacht feice muid beidir ag Glyphicanis chur Victoria amach an seo. Glyphicanis Joseph bhí coda th nói céim eile bheitchan agus i céiceach an céin agus le seileh muo. Cansin scúpaisteach an sinnig David Kenny, Shasta Cornell, a chan congur chun taobh léine, in the Harra taobh léine, but class was on the Kildara. Kildara dal an scéil, le gimmert in the Guigu Glyphicanis Christy Ring, wúisiide, sa blianta gábhailí sa cardo, gábhailí sa hochteo, gábhailí sa fiche, búlaúid, gábhailí sa seacht. Shed of Aquarish, agus the Fairlord Parker, Jen Luther, Cathal McCabe, Trusting Paul Divley, Tiflia Bolore, Hushin Butcherash, and Jenny Joseph Mooney, Balilocharia, Hakakotic Judanic, Agus Slachti, a Kildara reached, Butchertax supposed to Conan Boren, so she fought Brian Bourne, the captain, Bourne was just main were cool. She saw the pass stress, Rash Goody, Jerry Keegan, Kate score Hampshire, Rush Craig a second.
Yeah, because if he cousin shin, a piece of bug shin and Jerry and shin, the kitchen knock roll, cool it, Castle and shin, or Chack and shin, or Kildara, and Mayo with Gary shin.
Yapan, Khito Shanjo, by Urwio, Hull Hans Vince Aka, Hapo, Mas Federal, Emerson Lodgers, Selena Lahasok, Zanish, James Burke pass Ishel Butcher, and Lon Cooley, Tatamach. Morgan Slitter, yeah. She fought to Jenny David Kenny. Cousin Dwight, Tenta, Ekfire, a Turin. Some nose eye, Amartiasta Jenny Joseph Mooney. And Emerson Joseph Mooney. Pali Lochariach, the Stonish Scale, Tagalia Vachelam, a rounder, like Moyochan and Liam Hodgins.
Agus tá le fecail sin Macdara go bhfuil lína lach thosaí Kildara ag teach amach an méid Moses Federal le spás a chuirtí hon thosaí Tuesday.
David Herity, here, hold Barry Kilchanish, and a bunch down the Forna. Eric Welsh, Bannister Wayo, Oxtrahanish, Chancey Shane Boland. Ton Verts, Captain Gibbert Selena, Lon Tossach. Taub dus Shane, weet ik zei. Koen amateur Toshi Bulta aan orde, Agus Toshi Bulta Kreenige.
Bhí sé le fecail sa cluthe dhearnach an sin cé go tábhastach a bhí na pucan na Sierra agus bhí túismáin de dhéal sí an bólan an sin. Híon dahead a trí éis sa chumartas.
Mach fada an sin ag Paddy McKenna. Fought to Herbert and James Burke and Pascal Roy Joe. Na meach sí sin spach de bhí cólan ach tá puck séran.
Bhí sin le fecail an sin mar Gertrude Hanahan bhí sé de géirí an lína lach chuilí sin an way ó like I Susan Park I get the bug agus an spás a cruthús a gáisteach ar chuileann sin.
Well, níor spáil Gary Nolan sin ní ró le harta spáint zero pucks here sin made. Nis ceapan má dhéanann Gary tá deileos bailach go spáin for carta buí ó. Dúdáis chancenis ag James Burke. And Strada Light or a Traston. Kildara Rashton Keane. David Herity. Rash ag Moyo Augusta ag Adrian Phillips. Bela Honish Kenton in Herity Lane push class of a son. Kildara a tí cháliú northa ó Chomórtas Joseph Icconacha agus atá dingwáilte Giradol Rash suas a ríist an. Agus mar a bhíns an cuid gona chum de heisio tá buíon beag láidir Kildara atá an ocad an ómáint a dhéanans obair na gapal. As Shane im here fóréil, chéadírat curtha ar fóréil ag Muyo. Butchik Shane Boland. Nish. Okamach. An Green. Hitchimach as Lava Conan Boren. So they puck classic Muyo.
Agus cos le cléthe here on by tús bládroch the hinshaw ar wayo. Fiú leis an muína hóga.
Gar Chennacha hí Kildara Ray, San Chena Fotarashaka. Ach imi Herity in a reached. On scale Minuri na Gailevino and the Gate Cliff Grave and Liana Boa Slachtor Aka Hondachlor Agus Fair Og Aaron Nyland Shea Hulin Deo. When you saw them after animation, the Lord or Kantifui, a got the Gaileve, and made Kantifui is a V lad Ella, a V race to man or Visha Minor Action Joe Canning. Shadow of a Tronish, a Green Boren. Dara, Agus that past I see your butcher's try get Jerry Keegan. Jarinish Koshiot Yasiga and Pascal Rayanish. Congo con Tavelina. Nero Bultza. She Bulter Foril. So, here's the Steve Coramo. Johnny Byrne the shin.
Tassie the Fagel, the number get the books. Skelchin shot. Neil Moore, the rhythm on Comilis and Tunfern. Neil, then your beast night. Kiart, I should already got that. Fun the height.
I watch a Conan Bourne. Watch a go hauling here. Don Chilif Colza. Watch a Rashi Muyo. Scottish Dach, Jenny Mark Phillips. Nish. Rossagol Trasta, which I can learn Tossach. Ta, or the Gajasiga. Shagir Elo Jenata Hossin Center Gamai. Costa Hart of Jenna Sashishan. Go hauling. I go on Delaney. Hauling.
Gallant or Fad, my Russian Hanahan, Kaisi Gak chance at Glaki. Be me Burhan, Shenger Better, Ushe Carry, Bayak Dammer, and Slither, Tier Harn Traston. Cullen and Sky.
Well, Cheno made good it. Alex the Fornia Corum. Reached Pokemach and draw James Burke. Tosha Focher Ash. Here we on Congo Contave, Lina, Ro Congo Contave, Lina, in the Hurricane Lina. Mahon nor a great name Cliff Wall, just a jacker Urnton or Rosin Can Darican Dirukania. I was Beg Burn of the Idger in the Cliffy shop. Paddy McKenna, August Mo Diruki Paddy. August Hoshi Fotic, Shane Ryan. Shane Ryan got Regis in the pass. Oh, pass, second pass, Fotic goes from door. Well, Jet of Hole of a score to egg Kildara and Cho, Neil. Some more Nuncy reached, his can. Kildara Toshi Lodgers there. Forte again far for Colin is slow to block also. Macha Fadenish le Kevin Whelan. Kevin Whelan the goal thrust on the park, British Shiska hauling. O'Hay and a Jen. Egg. Jerry Keegan. Jerry Keegan go hauling her at thrust on.
Galdor Fad, August Time of Drat and Tau away a couple of shots on HV. Jesh, Kildara goal trade, just drawing the goal like.
Jasper of Brisha Shees and Stritter Dohen, so then see you or Kildara Mirash and Keane. Reached Lodgers on air, Rian Boren, Rygoody James Burke. Kick out Johan Keane, touching the non Pellimer to Kildara Noy Hama. Rashgoody Keegan on Tom Shot Currai. And here it's talking Trinish O'Call McCabe, and scored Jessic McCabe.
Agus Shansgur Winter, Kildara Gogger and Cleha Ross Common and Duragoichi, my Reina Cocha Douglas Hussey should get the bug. Mal Agus Tuiser or Doi Carha. In Cleha Shop.
Coimer Tandas and Trin. 3 fast in Yekela, Agus Crichtig McCabe. To reach stop, Schlitter Mehar and Tavelina.
Rudderwine the current. This arm he may better grow Mayo goal Cooley Shear, Oaks and Sposs at Tridham Shishak. That's a goal Cougar Jag, G Shocks, Glur Spashan.
The Brian Bornish, Agus came up, Tarn Gusta Tor, Tashi Fosega, Tashalina Fikimader, which just made her cold. Towel take a goal bar, Ashantele, Sawadari take a goal bar. Towel to Visadara Iruk, Fosaka, is there a 3-away Iruk on cold scoring to Brian Bourne. Someone who hit Iruk. Got through a good goal bar on.
Yeah, Rohim Dog Grader 5. Made Vedless Johnny Lake, Kenyon Marcus go forward to Dublin and Kula Island. Mart Halifax, Hanahan to come to the show. Ta a made scorely a Kildara, Fud na Parker, a few chairman Shishi Larna Parker, to the score na Chakdo Gakalage.
Yeah, Kid Towel to get. Chin Towel, there's how to be her bar of Fad, on Hoolan took it and Chin egg, Cahill Dowling, a Gadam Cart, Scron just to Brian Bourne.
Cricknington Sky.
Så Puckslessa eller vad kanske har något för rugby i nåt han sliter med har tydligen för minixen. Ni skine macha har gestern Puckslessa. Men nog det nog med catcha marschen Agus Hanahan. Solution lay is on the forne. Kanske trust draw Brian Bourne. Puck here stach. Så Hanahan on tan kommer sin affär för det cooler noja. Tan kommer Kildara går till tacka en cho Punjabi ena.
Ta.
Nachwil.
Ta Oman Socky og nís gestje agus an coimert og nís far G show agus is legal chance go bheag look nís mó cool amshi.
Ta Mailbe curl course to mar go cor leisle cur den go imrori boyo ag tivelle. Agus first stop about the course. What's talking man? bailach cinnte tá an go méidir ón lá thosaach Joseph McManus tá an mar se lum sa teanghála agus má hit sin amach ar a bhéir anseo bheoh se déanana go maithe eáil tá go bhéir an rudí céire agus má chailinn tú ceantar Harvard Jackar iad amsú ríteach tá sé ceart job déanta as ben buna síirnis ag James Burke an second can bháin scóirte aige de sé ganis ar dar cap le bailach idir lína cecha cúig agus 6 cúig began níos congrí lína cecha cúig agus gan stródá leid ar a trasán
mar mé hanna hen just wahí mé beidir go far an galh é híon Jar McManus san go rahí sé an siar get the bugus an spás a dredgim sé so beidir Keith Higgins ag teach éis se Tá sí le fagal bhil just gur immer cugur ar déan cugur deag.
Glad amach a rís go láidir in Conan Boran agus Shane Ryan treis éilú ach an tamseo go bhfuil Keith Higgins siar Omahor íontach Keith Higgins Pell Omáins Northern gets go Rima ar Lordin an Northern dar leis Cornicky record ordú leis na lehananta díach a bhí aige agus gimmert uíos a bell Paul Divley a bolisteach ísisiil pasáling isteach sin fáitigh Dowling a pasáteach bhfuil an dara cúil teach tá contorteach a mis tá ní bheith tí idir thóra dara cúil ach an tamsead an chosan gentig muo Johnny Burnett sin bhí cúpla seansaige agus pas lábh began í scuilte sin nach í fáte agus Paul Curran is a glanamach is mór an tirís a bheit tí scóile al hiúr se spragadómh Cameró Kildare an lóidir san éir Cathal Dervin bhí an Thompson Sléime Rudán Congur gon tíomhlín in is Jerry Keegan pasáling le lámháin ar gomáin se le Burke an imirt bute go scipi aige ach bult ar híomh na lábh deise
agus níomhhain sin de comíon tak fysiúil ar sé bhád níos smó Táín go bhfuil siad gas níos áide na bhhéú
bhí sé léimtin léim an jolar bhíon lábháin ístil sin cheap mé Conan Boran nach tá imirt lenacht Cathal McCabe gur slitar áda tá sí fáte Cathal Éilín Tre ó Daniel Huan sé bute Cathal agus tá sí bute go háling aige Dar scór agus scór bra.
Sin an far mé ag Johnny Taggart ag tuis na chluchan sin Cathal McCabe go dtí seo bhí neart scóna etre ag héanagus Paul Divley.
Tá cool agus ceir cholín scóilte ag Kildare ó fuór muo a scór darnach an seo. Tíimléine rís pisa deas Robála dénta ag Rian Boran. Trasna go Paul Divley a coneal ísisiil. He's a jazz skille a jinnig an lán tosach Shane Ryan a bullet no Chilum nar hasteach a hóhanní tá trícinn chu mó Kildare ach tá berne idir na fórda an nachhuiil
Tá agus cosal is an cé an cléir an sin le tíirún tá rudig an dí tá sprágaid de cenne le an dí nó ceanirí dí de seaú an seo le ó fiú le beidir an defar Yannis Nimmers
Imró eile atá gortaí an seo agus se Cathal McCabe atá an
Níl rud a bit níos más an a chur an slitar sus na park agus cead alta sé teachtar éis agus ag go momente seo bhaim tríad a cosantóirí bhéo.
Tá beganí cos an Alamo ceart go leir sin slitar ní litar a teacht a job le déine ag David Hursley agus a bhaon imróí Drum gur banstóir a bhíons céire go mé gahar dénta gart Íl trúna tróchar aige aon imróir nach chun Jenna job lá. Bhfuil Derek Welch Brandon Hart rá Ken Powell a dhéisio mé dosach. San Shelley bh Kildare ríist chuiristeach an Jinnig Divley an Cantron Leitch Stephen Coyne. Coyne amach dí Keith Higgins bhí obair a déine Keith chun Shelley all a ríist dénta get reis go Coyne. Se bheith Cormac í feidir brehan slitar ríis an pas lábha chu roiige. Bhí Sean Kenny reis go Keith Higgins agus Keith a glana trastan na parcas and then canas fearr mar tá lechúil leir maidir agus fáte go háling an sin ag Joseph McManus. McManus fós fí brú Costin de Hart agus puck sír nóí aige. Immertwa, pass just O'Higgins, Trust, come on, put in Lachuli Lord.
Sheelinger will, Ger McManus and Fasten, Shin, Actis in the Fackle, will Keith Higgins, Fishy, Tossie Shea, Lorna Parker, Curry Shear, and Aisha Tashe, Emerson Land, Shin Land Cooley, and Chin of Fair Tamal, he Pickus over a tree, Jay, and Chin Bramburn.
Nish, Shane Boland. For Shane Headcan.
Brian.
Tamal Adam should score. Given Tasha Nino Med. But not there. I fought to Egget.
Rod away for Shane Boland, Tasha Anna Chrin.
Major Federal, we have a chance on Shield. I'm sure is Fanaxon with Vadis is Federal. Sheleva reached, just go pass Alling, Shogger Boland chats in the chain. Boland Cotton to Hart, Boland and Canchin on Skipway, Kekawich Shin, Toshi Godas. Go Hauling.
Galter Fado, Dirchman Hanvi, Cottelis and Clay or not, and Chevy Ross Common, couple of score and yeah, kill the A, because the Rook here and I guess and Shaw away, while not or let trio Kunan Shaw, Almas Fedger.
She's the reach, Shella fought the reach, up, at all. Kay Huckers Max the Glibberts, Chuck Moyo Max the Glibberts, Chuck Mark Phillips, I thought I called to Akas, I fought Boren, the Kildara, I suppose again, thought I can Dorothy Colin if they don't go down Quartus Neeruption. So she fought to Goulbara, Bobby Douglas or Currash, the Hoos Chin, British she's like a lawn Colin, we're watching Simon Lacey, August Paul Dibley, Risha Justice Boss. Toshi the Foggle and Spashin, Dundee in the long toss, seconds past Justice Shot, Tosha fought to Jerry Keegan, which has made her goal, no! Cool Bulta, Ach, Fi fell a Motney Sluha. Ben Trust on a Wulchan or not to Hagan and Trust on and Cool Lichela. Tosha crack like an Rudishak Ahmed Cart, a couple of Orloch better.
Yeah, the entire Orway and Shin. Orgardus, Orgard Shin. Actamatic Kitchers and O'Husin Clahet, the Spas is a core of Nadine to agree. Oh, go on. Oh,
Trust on the on, yeah.
Acta Medjan Spas doesn't slit the ram show because the Dini just like chucked agree. Or no snake hit trade or draw the goal.
Chance, James Burke. August Coolin again.
Marchman Shanahan just and slit their goal Suskaji Shane Boland Shendy should double Shelva Eiler Kirodel Tashi Tivalden Fargo see it Feverish.
British Shees and Shin and Juana Goldrasta ach Tashi Fotse Ikfir Kildara. So come a Lord to camera or Lina La Hul Kildara. The Kevin Whelan a Bolistach Spas Nish Ross on Nuggets on Ross Poitza. Shane Ryan Tiviting on Lawn Coley, Basha Sostel Colleen, she put to order again, put to her a trust on again. Shade score.
Agus Tassolin gur Dikalu Caldara and Joe McDonough and Ari actually the Fagel Pedro Goose. Again, we're trying to lose a wad ni sketchy. Agus Tassolin on a tour here in you, Ufali, Agus Caharlach, Agus Kerry, Agus Adrian, Keiko Congrax, the Gactin. It's a group so Tassi Jahar lower, Agus the Midge on Mek the Thai Gas and our 20 bedroom levels at Nisarjishan.
It's Jericho Lordina Gurkul, no Comortish Omaniach the Vatnis. Lacomach and Kilwer Egomor Clascoil, Mavuntu, Laurie Maher, Chentugo Nicky Rackard, Chentugo Christopher Ring, Chentugo Joseph Matonacha, as a Jim Corn Vicari. It's Chorus Maha. Done good as mode on the Fornia, Corrum, Pedro Cooper Cliff NT, Vocal Corn Vicari, Carcadora, Shin Corn Vicari, shot, versus Christy Ring, Shamuyo, as either an unseen reach and Cancer Butcher Dock and Throw Boland, or Chenchi Harish. The Fotchik Paddy McKenna, Machkuji Simon Lacey Shachas and Spos and Fokaka reached. Is that Fotchigen Brian Byrne? Shay Bryant on Bunthashta. Past Jas Lova one and Machkuji Jerry Keegan a torch will Cooley Lily Jerry Keegan Daw. So you can Jerry Keegan.
The way we just get big struggles the stop of Curly Shaw.
Tasha Augustin Puckmach, Paul Divley, a Bullistach Ishel. Cahill Dowling. But she fought a Cahill Dowling Irto, Cotton Jahart, Brandon Churns, Brook, Bolachai, Bolachai, or Heave the Lava, Jesha, Kerry King Kurmo, Kildara. Can one of Muyoga Gisha. Achta, Bern Ochgolin Atra.
Especially similar to Fargal, but you go and Cruha Ahri, and you go Lance the Railist and Steel Tradition to Shaw, no, then you can Ella Kershier.
Keith Higgins. Watching a ball and turning his Shearox, pucks here. She didn't slow her, Misha Maska, Jer McManus, and Keith Higgins, currently Harton Shugam. Jeshinish, Shane Boland, Bern Alaidu, Schacht. Sasha Shindentege. Loch Takir to Egmoyo and shot. So Cahro Colin, Shane Boland. See what it's here is Canon Emmert.
Yeah, go Sheeran go to the Gary, can you and Cash and Doyle, Shane Boland, Lesh, Hain, TV Steed, then you are a Hainer.
Johnny Byrne, the tall got to hit Sheedham. Right for Michael Kennedy. Kintugel. Shakard. In the hole, come on. Every time, like I said. Ishkis the tool, Ishkis the mail, Garrett Hart. Nish. Pukamach, Paddy McKenna. Start. Lors. Rowan again. Chinchilla Camp, traditional father. Chilla Fotarashik, Moyo, Ta. Number Swahan Chonishik, Jer McManus. Also Jer McManus. Oh! See you know.
Yeah, Jenny and Demolition of Harby. We come around Skilger, Harrington, you can a comment say, because they go treat and shit.
Midway, I got a turning a shear. It's got right. I recommend it. Friend of Madrid, sir. Now we're talking about. I'm just trust that. Check it. Yeah, actually, Cartigan Rachel. Vi came glocking a solar turning you shear so.
You'll not have been these master or to the Brew Belchin agus Tarn Kenny Costle shut.
James Burke, 3-3, G shot. Carros, no, Cormo. Vi might do Carros Carro, Hinberg on the brought to Ordo. Campson Curra or Hidden of a Jesha. So, Coy Kid Cormo, Kildara. Should have fought Sean Kenny, touching free Brew, I was on overing for Kildara on T. Halvo, Yana, fought Rashi Burke. Then of on Bolte Burke, Burke at Turfy score. Ah, hauling a Burke. Hauling.
Yeah, and then Burke job again, Tom Shin. And pucks here for Elix and Jack hard spot to do.
Carol Colin, Dorothy Farm Nostary. Colin at the reached. To British she is reaching Shella fought Kildara. You're even to Brisha. She had a fall of war August Imror Elefos. Or to touch it, Titsum Marvach Tron, you need Titsum or Logway for Owen.
Then you're stopping as a clag at G Shaw, then he got a Hagagage.
And looked Leish. By Shid Knoch and the Cayman a Glacco come out on the Fitbits Agahava, Kinsum or touching the Rebork Minicalor. Touch Michael Kennedy. Jokas de Mach. Conan Boren de Machas. Books here. No shoot.
Has a Fargal Hanahan, got Kega, gone lava, nuke there, Kildara.
Oh, yeah. Nish. This is James Burke of the Lawat Shear. Nisha Acho Vader, Tiv Morgan Lina, 3 Vader, Tiv Morgan Lina, Shas Karachukuik again. Vekkamajanish and Will on. Toshi Sock Father. Beautiful on Shear. The hauling her fad.
The hauling her fad. And yet, in the game, come out, the game Master Ledger and the gold sheesh. the park a dark le way so scored on Sky.
Ish. Can Rowa talk Bobby Douglas. Shadullar Yesh. Adol Fada to she British she is. Shelev, Egg Muyo, Sheer Gavada Sean Kenny, Kenny Sheer, to Jerm McManus, when she does any slow for she score us, can she British she is a hat, the Muyo got all Jacker Shelev all the shit in Massa good thoughts here, the Cosenturi, Kildaragama, Tivley, Trasna, Koshir Darling and Shaw, Egg Burke, will Canelo number 6 James Burke, or Hurden Coolbar and come on through us, so she may her Trasna.
August the coming at the slack or Emerge James Burke G Shaw Puck wine Puck Sierra wine or 4 like Gacro and Jar Car and Trasna the Jar and Shaw the Mayo give Jack Puck Mac the Kenny Leg and the Shalva the Brewery Larry get the bug
Conger contained in a Tom shot what you call Dervin me her contained in a puck slash of his hunger yo Tajegulin Atra When Cantor Hoggles or Joseph Mooney, Chuck Trasna. She puts a Jesse Joseph Mooney, toss she puts a hauling again.
Counter far Ella, Hannig away home Leno, who come in the Galiva.
Keep it going, Berkey.
But Tara again, just spraggy the Kenya leg in the.
What? Hawkins and Sprague Horse. Her Borchin, Johnny Bourne. So the Keegan will call in over a car attack. Neil, Tamcha. Agus there's a done galore that we owe on Jetta Kahula Leve Ikildara Augusta. Ta shaking Kuramoka, Jetta Shavefunis Massa.
Tagus. Made Ebra at the way o Curse Jack and Chin, the Coolin or I look so we go hard. Jack sheet in the park, August is chance from your Coolin Ikildara.
On other Chin, pushed the Jack Baga Snasta Joseph McManus. Tashagira Elu to Ilin Geriga block al Sagama, August by Puck Shaska Koigan. Got we all.
Jay again, Chin doesn't pass a car Maki Shane Bolan of VNH Wadney's far.
That's like Joseph McManus, actually, Richard. You're the Machto Hain. Sean Kenny took on the cancer wood. She puts a father again. She bolts her hitting love a clay. But Axlum came on her hook Shane Boland.
The Shane Boland co-crunching in the puck on the series. Better Rada though. He don't look got listen Keishan. Neil McKincha. Actors but if a couple of Con and Yeg held her who.
The shit Uruwana, Catherine is Minikin Uruwana, or something more considerate. Shell of a Chonish Carl McCabe, Conger Contavlina. Pass all in Trust on the Parka. In the like and joy Conan Bourne Shear, Agusa and Canton Bulsa, Agus will Colin and Tashishan Bulsa. Like Brian Bourne, Scarilla Foss.
Largaston Skoikin Chin Trust on the Parka. Then use of Resh, Tivala.
One of the array of Chacha Shaka Wyo and Church and Kenneth Feeney. Puxlessa Elaka, Agus Pedro Gamay, Jeshan Chohanish Rish. Like Joseph Mooney. If we're Hop Sugar Chacha Kenneth Feeney, Paul Kerr on the fog on the Parka. Tasha Jacker, Immertlina Law, Hole, Norton Nurton Spot, Hor, Agus the Nurton, Leroy Chacha.
The keg, that Higgy keg is slat on the spas on Tossie or customers, are you?
Yeah.
The Ahri get the bug job done, sure. Kevin Finney for Kugi G shots or come this is Jack. Seeing a right shit and better get you every he and Jake.
So ta you're on Puxlessa Kama and Shannon Thompson Joseph Mooney. Pushes his foot in the Lacarishik Burke. Burke and pass Love, Bugging in order, spot to Jesse Jerry Keegan. Will call in over a car attack. Ta.
It was Burke Parchak Arish.
Cardog ná de sé mar sin. Barna méadú. Trasna got Johnny Byrne. Army Johnny Byrne. Here to Vel, Taji Butcher, that's the Gorn Yellow draw Carl Dowling. Kylie Gear replace go Regent Jaw, which has been a recall, Taji Carl Dowling, August Tosh has been a recall. Nihawan, which has been a Taji Gamshu.
Wahai Megan Tusen Jim Bitter Glaxley Barriak Kushkem. Crichton Sky Hurry, August Tassage, Coat Dandrak, Lena Lang Cooley and Chin. Ahan, Brown Byrne, Shane Ryan. Trouble Jurassic. Wahai May Better Barriak Kushkem. Crichton Sky.
Unclear. Should have more original going Delaney. Delaney doing a mark. Top Bertson Sola we will foul Gent to Gentall. Foul Gent to Genicall Derviner. They puck Sirustach. Farir go Wio, Neil Gestach. Irti and the Fanacht. Homiach was this major.
Chennai, it was no argument during scored there for a few like Kildara, Gag and Alice, a competition. No Hashay said differ.
Berkey!
Dog credit or far.
I was Moyo, a critics there a hut. Ludes it though.
Yeah.
So chances to Shane Boland. Or a Hugo Coolin. So Shindentiga. Joseph McManus has got a tress and Vlokal Denta Chin e Conan Boren. Boren again Schlitter Ordonish. Kaltachin Tashi Fatsa Ege Immertwag Boren. Divlinish Abulish Taxis Boss, Fechen Sposs at Thomas Cor Shane Ryan. Oberlegenic Shane Ryan, Tagan Jamachen, Ilinis Ferrocro, the Hain, Tagan Japas, all in Trasta. The James Burke, the Shasta Lish Hain, the Kirkmer Coolin Ghanaians, Roy James Burke, August Hall.
Shannon Sposs was kind of free. Sposs Jerk score. The Tussa Yogs and Kid Rodella, Curry Tross in the park. It was tell you Squash and T Val for my. Achmar Hurtbridge. Jerhinger Guru, Kildara, Gawker, and Clehe, Gerald Ross Common, was what he said. Ash came with you Tueston Squire Kirchhogs, the Chin Jad, because Neil should stop it.
No, and he's through not throker. Aka been cooling every shot on his case with James Burke. Agus on what law just there reached Simon Lacey. Shinrod. Hamero, Kildara on law just there. Pass Butchistach. Watching Dowling is squealing there. Jerry Keegan, the Ben Cooley never cooing. Shay.
August in the score now. Chacto Gaka, sure, draw her on your way on
shot. Reached. Kydlinson there, but Egg, Kildara, Traston, Cahill McCabe. McCabe, Oma, father Kevin Whelan. Whelan and Fanach, Steve Kennan, Park, Congress, and Tavlina, Imi Hart, Tavlina, Push Nassagasan, Weo.
Seeing goal check, our Doyle, Fagal, K, Cole Ladgers, the Tel Kildara, Sonar.
Vaharolo shot, and Sprukovic, and Theodorella, no, Fanacht, agree of Joseph Iconacha.
Agus sílan go tágan hin go ras na ní sa cléthe ceimiise ar bhanach agus bhaí sé go sin go dar ag nach rabal de nó nach rocha go mí na fiar a lá mí na fiar an sin agus is leir go dulhan cin íontach dean aga fanach ag éist le David Hardy couple lá hen mí ag go prád céalaigh fi sé ra tá fí seacha fí séige agus seirhing man Kate Cam Allison í sin go bhfuil si ag fanach sus an sin sa Joe McDonald.
Three nomad am coach of Gort Davis again. Sheriff coaching Moyo reached. Is that Brian Byrne attacked and pass Stahiga good Keegan. Keegan Slugka and Chin. Fotterash Carl McCabe. Rashka Kevin Whelan. Over White Whelan and John Josh Fossigal Reed. It's not Sposs again. From Jean Passerai, which is the spine over a trio cold. Darren go well. Which Halchit and Jennifer Chinnock. Nisha Glanta Vos. Fotterash Dowling. The cooling or a chuil that that's the why we should have a chuil elle Shella Fosaka to Mayo, Cousins go train. Mahanish go fada le Rian Boren. Boren Brendan were in Sprucht as she built to Ord ag Rian Boren after she built her hit the love of clay. So Shachin Kuramu ag Kildara.
Bloodbug jar fucking sin Cousins an scoid if you come and scale go cool hour ag teach the long cool is nice short like an arm short.
Long Cody Gold Shear, Simon Lacey. Puck's here. No me doang an am coach of Gortia Katsin Cho.
Agus Argan sponsor ish scored the hen cho.
Shinny's fair, Acton Chelvig Borkerish, Bortok and Talon, gone through grid by Puck's here on, August Captain and Mike Horton. Stephen Coyne on Lon Coley.
Back Marta Rajo again Hanahan. Bus Bariak Splash and Shin Huntossi August Dini agree on Gillan August Lee Darlan grew rare be again a clock sheesh because for James Burke called Jurgen on the Goulerish.
James Burke Irish to shake heart. To beat sponsor on Lon Coley.
Sarhash
Coley never hooked.
Sarhash this Gachi show James Burke.
Gentle fearing Shachas page or Shaki the move, saw response to Kildara. Coley never hooked. James Burke. Bobby Douglas to chat to him over Clay, Tom shot to British Shees, Tom British Shees. Kildara, Tom shot to Jake Moyo. Erlar Porca, Jess, Daniel Juan. Lav Lock College and Gent, Green Boren. Tanchelvik Shane Boland. Boland Gira Elo, Neil Shannon Elo, Tashan Cantor Bull take a hand. Tashi Bull take a Godas, Tashi Bull to Haratrasnon. Shea Colin, Shane Boland. Father one Fat Lahama, try happen.
Then you want to chassis on all Kachisha.
Agus Devon near the winner, or Fat Shecha and Chop. Agus Baron the Moor, Idrna Forna. Mayo Denny Hillach. Takildar in his Fahrenheit, so she needs Lloydra, Gohoris in there, so she needs Crinne. Agus a Forest Forward at Eglahama Chug, Kildarado, Shachjug, Mayo, Dodge Hawk, Emma Durash, Kulua, Kahasur, or again Dash Kevin. Fáilte an teaga Parca Chrócas tá muidir géiste de banna ceol ardáin atá céad chuige bliain ar bhód na bliana. Buna bhuiad an 8 seach fadó, mar bhí muid rán níos luatha, churann siad go mór mílteach le hen ócáid ag an íon siad ach go háirithe an seo a Parca Chróca. Is scór na Hammond seo agus clifa an taobh ar fad, Kildare 2 seachteag Mayo 9-8. Bana muid ar chuid go na scór in é tháinig an seo, is the géad leis sin. Mayo déanana go maithe go tús, agus scór breá fáiteag ón Delaney sin agus a chóil leis a gól aige. Cahan McCabe gimmert go maith, tá Kildare ar an Parca dam se sin cúling san 8 nóid, Cara 2. Nóid níos tháinig chéad cúil. Derek Bheor a gúlbar a háháilt an mha, ach ar Derek I fáiteag Brian Byrne. Agus Lanchi Doris Cahan McCabe the score eile bra 2 nóid déag chéine sé náid dó. Scór na fánacha teacha Mayo, Pocamach, Boite agus pass test a agus sin bóla bhí díreach fog sireachar ar trasán an tainúr ar an á scórán in í chéile. Antas Pontus tucha ag James Burke an seo ó hús. Tá seach cúlín scóirte aige, scór áling sa siú nómad is fiche. As sin an dara cúl agus cúl bra éonar scóirte ag Brian Cahill Dowling. Agus an Bernamór atra. Nis Owen, is tusa banistóir Mayo. Ceir dus fed leat aráló ag leham.
Now my Ken Jeba. See tá cruid defriil the year tá bar expansion agus tá sé le fagalt dúirt muid hana híon tá sé níos ledra tá sé get the bug níos geiste ach caiite go daí lei sé caiití rud an teach de ahraí agus an spás beidir an damas just mó ag tarlaí do cosa Mayo go dtí seo. Hon tosaí beidir más féidir lá sa sian bóla beidir ag stragals get le bug leis an slidir beidir an fiú é beidir ghlacaí amach get le bug hon tosaí fiú le éar churn slidir le beidir le gola bhéim níos mór an chléthe nó éfach níos far a bhéir an chléthe. Tá nearrád is féir lá Johnny. Caiimid na féirne níl dáir bíga mé an buach an dóid a rudí an seo ach más féidir lá fiú cinneal golamach a sin sa darna lá spás leirí scórna aimsí níos mór an slidir eil níú jeach an mór an slidir eil. Ó híomh na pocan amach tá línan lá chuúlaí Kildare an Ledger agus go dtí seo tá sé gáil an módearach an tamar fad agus híim sa híon ghfuil
Beidir rud eile mar go bhfuil Kildare cho láidir sin san éir ga Mayo slitir beidir chun ar an talamh chomh is féidir lo.
Sin é agus mar dúirt me chana híon tá lína láthosí Kildare ag táint amach a drá Lauren Parca. Agus tá sin ag fagil an lang cúlaí ar dhéis agus lang cúir ag séir fan na pocan amach sír bhar beidir cóirh just déisi anna tá beidir goil siad burtha má tiontaí an slitir go mé chuile gist fiú me tá deabal den slitir chuirseús na líntí é chuirsí seaí seo an éis le pocanna milteach mór as an air agus é ag tiontaí sa goráis agus a goráis.
Doch lenta a bheith gáil héin ar scáil mór seo agus
ach mar dúirt me tíhheil den scéal le Kildare le bhíontas ar daoine nachrú le his de Jack Sheridan ag tosaach 3-2 gamse hiige go dtí seo sa cumartéis Mark Delaney tasog in goal check the ratio Gordy Miltonach 3-2 gadget agus mas rod ag bhfuil tú Mayo agus 2 moment jeg le goal no J moment le goal an seo agus tá na Bert sin ag check on the Parca le níos mó scór ná go bhí dearthaí ar. Est
Mayo tatamach ar Bark an Joris is feic mo Jolena Ruela denta aca dóla mé a bradú sias Tá a Ruela denta iver fix a sé ón ró tucisteach Bhí Kenneth Finney iste so tá ón ró tucisteach iver fix a sé agus sinú go méidir go bé Adrian Phillips iver dóiog tá fágáil na Parca.
Síle bhfuil Ger McManus a bhí gimmert ar sé an sin an lachúla sa lár a séisna ach an taobhlína inis agus sin bhfuil Keith Higgins a gáilteach ar iver sé agus dearthing bhfuil sin le iireacht an éfach ar James Burke ar an chluithe a léirí.
Is tó go ó híomhúóide caiisiad brenner seo caiisiad fólam. Deirtar a gcónaí má chalann tú le fólam íon túla gin fáid agus.
But caiimid mar ghlacan tú coscéim siar agus agan tú ar an factor mór an seo. Gag le ceannis na Iraqar go dtí seo. Liam hon tosaigh go dtí an cumar de seo, agus tá sé fios a chluthe ceannis. Cé go bhfuil do grádaí cinenne le an seo ach chaid siad an céad chluthe. An go chaid sé chluthe bháin iad an Kildare ach bhí cear eile agus cai go tugann sin misneach dóibh gáil hon tosaigh agus dúirthainn go bhfuil neart imrúthe an seo cinneal sásta go bhfuair siad bhlasan den level te de dhé le Christúring immert.
Siad chundan na míad an scéile tá take nuas go dtí an comórtas a bhí dehagann tí cháliú I siúd ó chríomh Joe McDonagh agus bei siatsan stocha go a féráilt ará go tráseo gur Kildare Festival suas ó ní dólam bháilinn do bheith caiblann de Joseph dar le agus de cúna dé bé ach tá sé Jack réon deile ach bu Kildare ag College.
Ní dáil an gurú Derek Welsh Bonnisteúir mé ó ag tuisam léana gáil tá seansó gin an cumar seo. Dúirthainn grú sé na rá an féidir linne fannach as a level seo ar fiú blian do gágs beidir an gáil hon ceann sinna dhéanamh agus dúirthainn beidir gur buí cinil gatch go bhfuil siad an seo. Cléthe ceannis na gníor ar gabhlíonn ó hen cail siad bhain siad an uirí agus an léana tá siad a feargáil go bhfuil siad sa cléthe ceannis an seo. Ach Kildare tí go bhfuil siad bhfuil cinil súlaháin ar bhléonse thuginn hana héan agus an dóid tá siad a gáil tríd rudaí an seo níl siad ag stoppaigh. Tá sé Johnny a seach ní helméid is mó scóna chugus an cléthe seo.
Hagan iad bhecem in ahrú tá ahrú gentá bhar fix a seacht ná bé gur ahrú gansaí bhí gist an sin mestó. Cá gur ahrú gansaí bhí.
Gansaí.
Sílim gur Conan Boran atá an dearn. Ar ní seachta an, so ceapar gur ar Conan Boran a bhar fix a seachtain is.
Agus McDara mu tinne caiintear Keith Higgins agus é chluir díomhar sé le galir James Burke agus go dé Tarlíonn chuann Kildare James Burke dear go dtí Car Jake. Sin catteistí Michael Kennedy. Mark Phillips tá baint amachcha ach sin níir a duna gcóin de lénaí fuair sé Kansas ag tús ach tá ceanse beganín ar thaobh na lábhah teise. Ní á. Fuachach ag Paddy McKenna agus baon río cuidiúla Kildare ní sí an láideach tá sí an mar an héin. Chut is bháid denta an sin ag Sean Kenny is bhí se le déine agus i Keith Higgins a chattamach an sin eisiantaring í siar. As rud bháin fi Keith Higgins bíidir sé caiiliúint le rá cholín ná le rá cholín is fiche leanna sé roií go deire le himmarthe. So an fearrta taketeach ón ró fuilte aige drón lán tá bedach fáte aige ach hín coolbar ar an áirsal Paddy McKenna pas láh amach. Machanis dí Conan Boran. Pas éisiil builte Boran smachtaí go deas agus chur coite. Ní dólan gur sé geisteige ach chun na cosa wasúir a chéile agus mar sin ar a bhíon chun tosa. Táis mé bhíonnach a rééis tamte caiintear an spásin agus cé có gasas tan lena lá chuilí sin ag teach amach agus ag gaim sin slitar agus artman se tá. Ach tá Kildare íontá comportach ó dá go dtí chuig bhil hé go dtí chuigé ag chun slitar trí na láha.
Och cúlín James Burke go dtí seo. Cúig bhfuil is éir Canon Emmert sin cólín i bhar an é.
Agus McDara bei sé simú le fecail an seo an mé an chuilbara go Díarach a mó Díarach rééis nó an raithí sé gur éid go leir.
Se dul fada Congur chun taobh líine briste séas agus an sellhacha Sellbheith Joseph Mooney. Mooney faoi bhrú pas lábh trasna. Smachtaí ar dar ír tá sé smachtaí acha. Tá brúr teachta le Kildare dí halbhálaigh genta ag Paul Divley. Divley trasna agus anis Johnny Bourne. Cúlan fáte Johnny bhí se ré. Bhfuil sé passéisiil teach an tamsead dá chéimne gan chun san genta bhí se má chun tosa ach tá sé litarníe ordaí Keith Higgins. Keith an pas lábh siar. Fechar mrú tá teachta le Kildare. So the nish Gary Nolan. Tá sé buite reiseacha ar deire agus go lán tosach. Lán tosach a dul siar dí fear for the chéad cúil Brian Bourne. Ach, can you roll the Brian Byrne chin? Ach, you know, Tashiat. Sheikh Hulin there contosa Tashiat sauce and Oberson Iena.
Tá sé dá creid a rís cai much. Come let's
Just Jackson Spas. Tipping Arias Machto. On row, Tatrish, Chelafota Ege. Pass court here, put your row at that. Hook a wad, Fatarashi Johnny Byrne. Johnny, I was just a Spas and chin. Rit Leshane. Jerry Keegan, Tá Cúig Chulín the Jerry Gajisha. I was an Ishta shaking. Alling.
agus go leis go rá sin second hen just a Johnny Taggart ar le way out an rata ebre go foil anox tá sé Johnny ar Shackney Hill an draw her to Dara of Wadney sketch agus a Wadney slapper is slitter Sean kick on Gigi shot on la new to go Gorage
Jer McManus as have a Cormac Corrail law one is in Chella Forterich Murray Lane just Jachan Chin v Rian Boren as on roaring Rian and it's my chest Ruxern sitter fat will pucks here staff no Ruxern sitter for 3 shilling yeah
okay Johnny Taggart to reach the Rasnary agus an advantage Tornchin dohas the Fern Condainer to Dini again which again level chin agus he put free on the Herne Gulshach
3 yeah I am Scully Rudgen Ratchet in yeah if kin tucht en rodelle Divley Mach geboren a bullish das pass one canchen date for the rest of my ta agus a Keith Higgins Emertias Keith pass Tasishal Bullish Steige for Joseph Mooney pass Love Matter Chinese Farrick Dara go Moyo we have them wrong go hauling Moyo fed up Kirkle score agus Arlar Park is in the pucks here stuff Ben Bader on Pash to Immerhe is fair Rinna Moyo o who's to Immerhe
the counter father and draw her just in past journal like and run she's like all the Wheel she's like all stack a cool in fact sure
yeah vi past official tits my fisher tarring sheer so top Jeshinish Shane Boland Sheikh Holin to Gaidla Carol is here Perro numbers but Hjarkamech every shot and Johige August Hall on Coger kun Tavlina and me Hara Tavlina. We always a puck slasa.
We shouldn't slack word door because as federal Mayo just you know glad to make the Kendall again.
That's Mayo Kate to shake cool in you. What's the cool cool? Ocean hen it's a goy cliff at Jimmershit so need foreign war cool is. Or those bad can you say dash? Go Horian Farshaw. Higgins pucks less all in Butcher tax the spouse. Green Bourne shot to Mako Lodge Reach. For Trasha Cahill McCabe. Brian Bourne and tax the spouse. August Ta will cool in ever. Shach the tacht. Jerry Keegan. Ta. Shach cool in. Need rock Loisan.
Yeah, I'm Harvey. Tassie the faculty in the Mayo Geary Gull Huntossi. August Nice Modini her Huntossi to get him squash in a race and T Veldon Farga.
Mach an Congress Tavlina British Shears. She Ordianchin, on Delaney. Delaney Favreau is Rubble to August Nacht Marina Paul Divley again. Paul Divley to Brandon Sauce, Bullish Canny, Shillistach, Ton Spas. So she Ordi Chonish, Shane Ryan, Shane Arash, Cahill McCabe, score for Cahill, Nishta Trikane.
Dalder Fad, Cormer Chin Tag, Lorma Cahill, McCabe, Griffin Clay, he and the Kitty Shaw, Owen Emerch. Shane Doltrina Kerr, Cullen again, a new Comite.
Då fix the hand, score Mahavach on. Damach a glyph umland, such a Fotze Kildara and Caracadon Omed. Schlitter Katze and Thompson. Cap much better and it was a stop the rator in a rector election try a towards shades in the feather gale passing love of Neil to the Lanark low and the guards horse of
the grass in the nose knock well being rudder wine on the stride and can you bíon Jerry leis fan am taigen na Creohart ag sí le fecail sa Glasgow sin fiú na cléthe club na sé fecail bhil tan na réidir in éis cinneal ag cinneal súlamach na sin.
An Ericsson Shane Boland Cormo take out the Cormo get Bert under the shots talking Kildara. Well, under the Marliskal, under the one. Ever fix a hand. Jack Travers. Agus a fog on the parka, Carl Dervin. So fix a hand the Cahar Marshin, Kildara agus the McKinty go main Cahar Ella Chatterstachama. Oh, Ishin Vichy, Shane Boland, Hitchy Way. What's the rest of Kildara reached? Agus James Burke. Coolin and a fourth a chat to James Burke Neal on Cantron Cormoiga. Talk to Canada Cormo, and Ishta under the Ella chat to Chachas, so they Mark Delaney. Agus a fog on the pork of Paul Divley. So, Bert Corristach, Kildara. Mach father. Reached. Pushes in there. Tam shot Moyo tacht. What's it? Joseph McManus, which of we've road Damata, Agasashi Butchagasaga. On score. Fair play though, Tom. Do which one's a Mahaka will hit the score in it.
Joe McManus look the session against Neve Juden Shaw while you hit clear. Gdí seo cléad a sky ag Graham Bourne a bhar sé de Caldara capú gagrad a Jacksich.
Mag dar ó cho Keith Higgins mar lacholí lár tá putan spás sin a bhí an dúnta aige I bheasúla in rodile. For Joseph Boney for Colin Ollins again that like much can the Shancha a fish on TV. Well look hurry up now Chancha can Ishel. So Oliver Ash Kildara reached Kevin Whelan. Here's Lav look also for Rash fair we all reached. Obviously Joe Cork come on a reached enter. As if what's a rash egg, Kildara, I was pucks here back up through.
March with the Shinnickla Hammond Shaw, the Mark Delaney and HR on the park and Shin. Ox the next to Jack Sheridan and check on the park was Vientus or Dini nor Hussey Shay.
Which she is. Ade McKenna. Block on and Denton in Samaroja against the Jerry Keegan and Graham, a crunch and block all. Onwards to Brian Bourne, touch on Fletcher Rash. We have Chacht, August on Rory Gadrin Phillips. Fosege. George Huffley scored to Shimela Cole. Stach and Macklin. Buioch, Hulbara, August Glana Chustamachi, Walker to Jerry Phillips, Jerry and Pascal Rayga, Cullen Fotze, should they call Dowling, Cullen, Cool to Gedla, Cullen again is the Curlish goal. August Shahagan, Jack Sheridan, August Shane Ryan at the fog on the parka.
Jack! Long!
Martian. Och goalin deag is in the forne. Nor Jimmer she the Kele, Nis Luha. Vi skorgele goalin atra. Slessa Butchie, she Butchie, that's again, as will she no, Punk Shaska Koig of us on. like a major go sí mé har trust on Junior sí road the type mo. So go heffi gúil da merk se sin mé har trust on. She's vi an Tangwal's into Gillish book slasa. Oh sha, yeah. Cost the top to mach.
Agus bhí muid caiinte le haman sin muid cinse mé Kildare glans ar é leis an brú milteach seo agus an rat de Ibrach tí tá le fecail níl sa stoppa an seo.
Neil. Is that James Burke? Colin Everidge. Colin Everidge.
It's a steel gallant ag an nachhfuil.
Oh.
Chuma gláidtear ar dóibh sé i ghlach na scóna sin.
So every figure tucked to talk away Conal Hessian is a fog on the park Daniel Juan. British Forterash Cahill McCabe Johnny Byrne, Justice Boss, Cotton Tatamach, Stephen Coyne, Goma, Irigo Jessica, then Lon Tussock, McManus, Visega, Kurt Common, and the Hasters Jack, as we Farrella against the ball on the Fanat. Did you help Yana? Fell Neil Moynihan. Moynihan Justice Boss, Stockador Carl Dowling. So I never to call it nach tá Chile Forterash, Firwio, Rashkadin Kulbara, Bobby Douglas Mach, Keith Higgins, Keith Machertiv, Mach Vadel Jerm McManus is Kansas Justice Boss, Dr. Doshen Boland, Dr. Kanjan Leitze, as Cousin John Watt Jensen Egg, Simon Lacey. This in the Harativ Lena, I Kildare Vess and Puxlassa, the Ficanomed Fantan Cho, Ficanomed the Jetach of a Father Lord, the Weo Bochtan Cho. Then a guard to Horsov, Neil Shit, a Gale. Oh, Harbour, a chin, Jerm McManus. Past Trasna. Sean Eero to chin, Sean Kenny, Stach, Lava Hulbara, agus the Tangelberg and Chin Connick May, Edger Boland, agus Lacey. Artilinia Bola Trassa, Tashi the Tachtarish, Justice Boss, Shinimi Roa, the Welt. Oh, you're Brian Byrne of the Chin.
Yeah, I guess the shame Boland chasing Shinvi. Chocolate killer get the bucket chin on and for chocolate, you see Gordon Kirkhardy say last. Like I've seen all frustrated chock there, you know, to say great and show shoot with Gacha Jella, hard part or croquet and you have to slit there. Yes, it happens that the Carl Laos like it.
Africa Keith Higgins, Mesto and Misha Rasha Burke Croker reached. Costa Alling go hauling at Keith Higgins. Cushiot gun kids go. August pass Jazz Corish Dakarainish. Like Jerm McManus zero tacht and Tosha tacht. Pass Lovamach. Come on, Weo. So then Chancellor Derrett Mohorically on a chin at Kenneth Feeney. August Kenneth Feeney hard thrust on. Score rolling.
Galder Fod, Keith Higgins and Chuck the Bat, Jerm McManus. Chuck Trust in the park out scored in Sky.
Farrier Neil unto Couple score Faunach. Noorturnach. Voorziet 1 goal in Zeug en hij Kildare zo bij de Soele. Kurlishin, mijn die smooth watch. Ik zie nu de penalty en het Jenny hier ten Berne een groene piece of Just Max and Glibbers, Connecton Chin, David Kenny. It's Kenny for Vro and Chin, August, yeah, Vro Miglach, Carl McCabe. Three when the counter will Sean Kenny. Well, Tosha, yeah, capture a bit of Shane Boland at the Mark Neil. She puts again, she puts her trust on to Tony smooth foot, no more for she the kid.
Because she couple of in Yankill, Cos you go tíol te go bheith deachar na cúla am siún Seán in Kildare so ceart achú na scór na clochaí.
Agus gá scóir ní chéile is níl sinna an dara úr gur háda sin. Shelva Koresh, Adrian Phillips. Fowler, Adrian Phillips. Butchers just a Gonel. Watching Shane Boland. Boland Casamaka toward Finn's scores. As you put Orly Boland. Oh, or Hivnalova Jesha. Digging or shaking Kuramuig Moyo. Shachs boss, Shachs Jerry Keegan. Coolin Ella force attacked. That's just a Keegan on green or on Kajesh.
Counter for. The for a wine at Telefaca. I'm a bit to Jesh score a clock out to Kildare of the work clock. Go higher to Darnell Lachenshaw. Or T Valla to way extra. Let's get the puck.
Oh, Coolin. No reach to the tact and Pascal Rai. Hepper is back to Genvi. Shantra score by Puck Searstach.
Actually, what needs for our led and next to Shane Boland and Shane August. Either Gary Golf and Kyle August grow the Cossie Hori Kildare Chuntiha.
My interest shot. How to trust none by Shach Coolin scored to Kildare to Darla by Hulkinig Mayo. So, Shavat Tashan is Congri na Marvin Hedlat. Shane Boland reached. Or a Traston. Coolin ever a hooked to Shane Boland.
Shane Clark and Shane Eggy and Scorley a smoke so come to Shamlin.
And Vlokal Denta. Kenneth Feeney. Rashidin Coolbara. Paddy McKenna. Austin Chen the goalies. Couldn't check Canmore Fada. To Keith Higgins. He's just in fought to Keith. Collector leis an trasna. Bruma Hanchin agus Mark Delaney. Puchlasfas an go wio. Cahra Ura is your mud agus Darren Himmerhan shot. Yeah. Really exhausted chin Tangolini Kayla. Shafat take a long Coley. Agus that. Richard Glech Trasanish Kildare will. No, to stop the Curtis Nimmert Fish, it's going to. I've been Shella Fotsa, a Boland after Michael Kennedy, a Glech Trasna.
Yeah, she English skill chin.
Jerry Keegan. So, Sherman from Carta has points go. Rog Russia Roscoe to go on Carta boy. Shohei. Yeah. Back on. One of the yellow Dolistach to Kildare, Kevin Wheely to Totamach, Ross Kelly Dolistach. Keith Higgins and Shin on Rory Keith. She force again, because he will check Keith, will Shin. Score all again, Keith Higgins. Sizer.
It's kind of a drought. Attachment to the sky, so Darnell Lau, Keith Higgins, and Spa, Dredge and Spa, she's a goal treat and Lar. Cooley, I'm shaking. Because Neil F. Comore, James Burke, the James Burke, right?
Neil.
He and Jake.
Neil. What's the Acker reached? Farage in the Dolistach, Jerry McManus in Dolistach. No, it's Roberto Fanatlesh, a Corrichiri again, Father Bobby Douglas. What's the Bobby in the goal is Quidditch, I can't Father Ishtach, Shakador Kenneth Feeney, Chancha Harish, because she fought to Rash, Neil Moynihan, Rash, Paddy McKenna. Paddy feedback on Brew, Paddy Trust to go Simon Lacey, as Lacey Mach or Tivanish, Mark Delaney. is just Cochir Delaney, Stachsalor. For the Jack Travers a bullish chase to reached Ella, Keith Higgins an odd card. Chelevik Kildara reached. So that James Burke, ni more Moden score while Tamalo Nimmert. From Jan Pass Shear. Tanir Bulta, Brian Byrne, as Tashi Bulta Harra Traston.
Cormers the Sky Hinchin for the sauce in the past now. Sprail, Hartinshin, Glasher and Kenny Cart, and Duration just in Denya and Imrosh of Fresh and Chuck Don Goal on and score Amshu.
She puts the ord Glantamach. We'll go to the Mac Dermac Banas.
Yeah, Tassie Lefagal, Tassie get the bug. Lorna Parker to Mayo struggle to get the bug. A couple of them Russia of Rach Kildare, Griefod Fadna Haitcha.
I thought, I guess, on Boylang of it, Kildare, Irtiano, Cooper Kula, All River Dera. She's Shea Boland, Gary All, Nichi Fochik Shane, thought. Clibberts Ella, a Captain Gur Gandhi Bone, was a tot Master Glibbertson, Kikatachan Keen. Agus Genta, Agus Genta Gamanchan, Achan Fell, Genta, Conan Boren, Agus Bay Corta.
Yeah, Agus a race Tassie Lefagal, Murdurch was the Kildare. Kega, and to Kildare, the coming to the Wadney's Ladras attack all, Agus Tassie.
I thought.
A Wadney's physical.
Fecha, Free Moyo. Trish Dove Cornicky Racker Wogan Nora, Toshi Cliff Canish, Christy Ring, Mardurstu, Ectus the Blaine, Nidoran Goshi the Kappa, Godor Luxushin.
Ni Dorla May, August Johan go Mardurch, go Sprigaki, Badger, they Omiak Socornak, Ni Dorla, Badger Groshi, Swinny, or Clay Canish for once a mark. Attach it in Shaw, August Kaiser Moishnak, the Henley, Glackmushin, and Flinch Hugging.
Pucks here can more means of Father Ella Butcher, James Burke. The Ella Chatterstaff Bader got Wio and shot. As Clishta Rash, Chancellor Colin Bader, Joe McManus, Augustion Gentiga.
Yeah, Shingo Kira, Joe McManus struggles to get the bug, Nero Moore and Swass and Chin Selena. Murphy Steve Murphy Cahar Jag, because you need more every hand, get the bug and small Farrell.
Burke reached in there, Burke up Bola, Tashi Titum Nela Hole, Cosset Wadenta, August Keith Higgins Shear. Ben Canton, Kushna Nachra Moran, Jashin Hole, O'Honey Higgins Shear, Kinchata Rodinis, East Tanna, Dermot here. Patrick Jessica Lon Tossach, Margo Boland, Boland's Hortby score, Ellen Geyer, Bultega, Skipper, August Bultega hauling again. Couple score, hauling Patrick Boyo. Trio Cannon Nimmert and Neo Cannon Fad. Neither go Shea Doug. Kenneth Feeney. Koshi out the ass and Shane Boland will check on Canella all. Neil.
Seven Dodge was a Glaham, it's the Gary Shea Bolan occur and slit there, get the bug smoke, as Tashay, Bughamak and Squash and shit.
Paul Dolan, Rachel to Chatterstock Kildara. Higgins a goal share of Chinny Wursha, Achtoshi Forza. Gary Nolan. Clantamaha Gary, Congo Contavlina, Mihara Tavlina. Carl Dowling Ray on the puck slash and Willa. And Moyer Rollish, nach the nights, nach Nero the Mach. So Carl Dowling fog on the Parkinish, August Chatterstock and the Arch, Paul Dolan. So Shannon Kuigo Kurish Dahakanish, David Hersey. August on the Goyokama. On Delaney fog on the park as a shoot Patrick Lyons. Tom Finnerty been in Sheo on the
On any follow Sheelan.
one of the better. Oh, chat on the car target on. Klasse, das hat put a closer fault. Oh, Kantamach. Ik shirt het, shirt ook bij de fucking Klasse. Dan ik kan puncture zo kunnen staan chenige. Kom zeer machen, doe je.
Ach mar dúirt of the Keith Higgins and Jen few this puck slot and Jen Keith Higgins a Lauren Day and Jen agus Gary Mac and Spas and sure they go Ken Gary John.
Agus go dtí a darla ón 9-8. Ní gólín scored ag Kildare 8-nig muo. So fair play go. Harro. She Drendy Hill to chance for score eile. Tá sé sin bulte Kenneth Feeney will Dara can score to Kenneth Feeney. 3 score í chéile to Gaydor.
Yeah, og sé like goes tak a la ham and Jen Derhing like they're no heavy. We should Bronak for J Murphy ready comes to Kid Lock. Derhing go for ra. Yeah, Cambridge can or shock me Hilly on in jog. Teichman is the Kenny and Heisman's Darna Lock.
Agus Shelva corriged. Catch and bulte Pasberg Roard. Achli Fotcher Rash. David Kenny, Spas as a core, and Pascal Mahiga, go Adrian Phillips. Adrian, Katova Cumrock, Bulta Ordig Adrian, August, Bulter Heave the Love Gesture. Dancha second Begroa, there's been Cor, come on, 10th.
Fi a momentum like in David Kenny, actually recorded David Kenny go Shaka Hanox in school am score am she.
He dog Rosh and Sige Carcador. So Bobby Douglas at all knees, Cano he's the Dar Labator now more capture Ver. Dara Chatterish, August Chodanir to Sean. Christensen, after she Bulta, or Heave the Love Gesture again. So then Clifford Dernoch Kildare in Leona Chappen Gumshin Corn Christie Ringer Noy Peter McDavid Herty nach Marksha Umland Sausage to sponsor the Darla. Atasha Jacker nor Vinto Gomorchan Keen Amity Peter Jacker Lanot Roy.
Tag on the scale that how much clutch with David Hardy Tasha Geary and comical proficient then no Iraq proficient as a Fedger.
It's Deb Conda at all Nice Far a Curla Forest Bar Mordock Conda Dochus and Fair and Yerkena, Jerry Keegan, August Shin Coolin, Iver and Knee.
August by luck Joe McDonough, a Garker shot, find a Macajammer to Kildare goal, August with a nice score all war her Huntussi and Shaw. It's Kedger and Flint Hogging from a Johnny Hodge Tijan Shaw.
She's a chin, Shella Fontarash. Kenneth Feeney to go Dasting Feeney, go hauling Feeney, August Puck Sears Stocker there. There's a part of Wayne Jordan to sponge for Jack Travers. One of the yellow rail of Chatter Chago Brian Hunt, his phone, ever shot jug.
Yeah, it's more thirsty on a hill McDar like a cake lehe Leonardo for Trogo Nigel Hay and Jake Kuig face a shea. Few doffy shock the different dawn and they're attachment to Shinox and attachment to Shaw.
Oh, you know. Shock cooling jug scores Aka. Yeah, Pin and Fell. Josh Nishik Shane Boland. Or Hulin Ivridze. Sean Kenny Fogg on the Porker, Brian Hunt to Chatter on the odds. Commission on Roger Immerset. Clifford Canish, Christy Ring. Shane Boland her Trasnan. Shachdu Willisir Tehu Colin. Colin Jag at the Rish, James Borkalane, to see Fortunish Egg, Mark Delaney Galore came and go hauling Higgins. August Cooley never in there, Jerry Keegan.
But Arthur Shannon, Shaska shock no, but Sakla, I mean, Brady the Kenya leg and August Keith Higgins go forward Johnny Shockney Hill the goal share and Shin August and tackle her.
Fair.
Galdar fought.
Mar Dursto Hannah, dan je nog inroer dat de Conde More, dat die cancer. Ach, lees go sponsors die Jerry Keegan. Ze goal in on Immert.
No catcher fought.
Fitter ag a ríist. Pass Shear. O'Brien Byrne Ishel. As much dul Shaska hochtú nómed. Shelf ag muo ríist. Adrian Phillips os in Shanna Goalies Quillen can fadisteach. Ag a bhfuil si briste sias a chin. Agus a puck siramach, Daniel O'Moynachan.
But Morgan Pier cut in the scorner. A glock. Why you come a glock Kildare nu? Gantar fad, Steve Clay, Steve Yesh. Agus fad a Laura Mark, Gantar fad.
It's just a call. Kayla Corrick, a Kujula Farrell, a good Crampo Kirstacher. Unsiele Kildare, to make it go roll up with three cool. Oh, the dodging. The Gary Nolan got custom the recess of the ears there. V. Oh, Gary Stitter and Thompson. See Foster Rash. Paul Dolan turning a sheer. Stachanish Goody. Johnny Byrne. Or come on, Denta. Shall have Foster Rash in Moyo Reached. There's a Keith Higgins, a Dul Arash. Father le Bobby Douglas. Tura Bobby Dawalan. August Tugan. Can more meet up Father Stach. Egg will she fought Shane Boland to get herself all. Needs she fought Shane Boland. So she fought Simon Lacey, agus immer for 3 nómad am coach of Cortia, Jerry Clistagan Trent, pass Lova go Ryan Chin, Gannon, come on, pucks here, but we owe. Shea Chulin Deo get atra, agus our spinning toe. Iglaham, Grog Kui Chulin Deo atra in Chosha Shindich, Gor Hug Muyo Dora Untan Chosa Darila. Kenneth Feeney Ray on the control wall. So Thomas Shakwo Zero Kata. Thomas Nam Coach of Cortia was 3 nómad. Mar Durham Magoni, 3 nómad ar an laid. Keelan Shushin. Now it's come in yo. Ach, Urensa. Ta Joe Mooney. Gorta Gorto Kosha ba. David Herity. Job Genta. The job Ledena. Leona.
Yeah, but Shannon Dortmund for them kind of have more factor Shannon again, have fish again. Jungle Sean Kate Cam.
Oh, so Joe Mooney walked. Fog on the parquet. Was a cooling all of Fuchslasse. Gedla. After Jared Genta and Johaganish. Don't go in. Fed up under the Herstach, but she tries and Koiger Herstach, she don't go well. Niekame ended a goal his phone and shot. Or should then here's a Kenneth Feeney. Obviously, watch a crane again. 3 Colin and Kenneth Feeney. Ishton Nate Kenneth scores a Kildare scores or ag Muyo sa Thai Kildare. Ach, Jetta Trishina Horma Tasha Jerry Keegan. Tegulin Gadisha. Tagir Cullen Henry Neil, that has lost pass a horse. Goal and crew of Watson Chen. Immertilana Tarai. Klishte. Macharatiev. Shode Paul Dolan, Harit Raston. Though fixing the not in the dog. Sheikh Colin Jagatra. Reached a Colin 1, his both scores at Kildare. Clifton Jack Travers. Frasta got Neil O'Moynachan. O'Moynachan Shear. Got Brian Byrne. Then one Bolting Brian Byrne. Dara then a Bolting Brian Byrne. Forcigal Reid. Passed over Rai. Got in Lacholi Lor. Borden via Wassa Gaidla. Borden Rai. Cheston Shawhanish. Johnny Byrne. Polish crossed on. August on. Come on. August K. Ella. Keith Higgins. K. Ella. Keith Higgins. Oh. Leoch. Farshaw. Nilay Kashfui. Nish. Mishidan Crypt in the score Ella. Tashek Feeney. Tasha Casa Balachwan. Fancharoa. Tasha Blockalse. Tá just an nóméid dúnach, beidir go mé scór amháin eile an bhain Kildare bheiste. Seo é Jack Sheridan. Jack Sheridan agus cosintháid dénta, beidir ceap Jack ra fog síra dul ló, ní bhúr sé é. Tá sé búlte fada an sinnig Joe McManus, ach tá sé búlte híomh na lava deise. Ní fada bhain, fad lána man seo. Búlte machchan is go fada le Brian Byrne. Brian Byrne agus can mór mílteach fada. Tá sí fáte go lán tosach agus a slachtathe ag sé
Céad na nácred.
agus sin an adó gearnach séte Michael Kennedy mar sin don 3 uair don gahra uair tá Corn Christy Ring bute a Kildare bei siad a gimmert a gréamh Joe McDonough líte thugan a ríist ó hús tenta na fearne bhí siad níos fearr ach tá molla a dul go bhfuo a dan a tréad go dtí an adó gearnach agus Chiele nachra an slad the attorneys luha Leona cohortigus gentle David Herity chop gentle geshoot maar doorsto on fish egg David Herity by nog een 10 achanjo action genta gesenta geslachter e Kildare agus ilen keshfui ach ta dine ata gobber hoes gom de sin ta reaction de torri ta sin de vantamach in your club agus conte score dernach a Gordon Glyphicanish Christy Ring, Ficky do, Kildare do fix the knee, Muyo, not a knee jump. Long Tossok, Shane Ryan, good job. So, by Sheetson and Ish-Agira, Flint Hogan, Fanocht, a Gordon, Joe McDonough.
Yeah, Arnoya and Rod Nackwell, David Hardy, Gary now go. Lordship we soccer na Kenyal and FAC UU shin Dinic Jack Sus agus Shishon na Shriha and Tamar Fad agus Beshi Giri go shin Shaswa or Beja Abel the Fanac Joe McDonough a few couple of days agus or hunting with new it's Joe McDonough has she co congrats and another mall more friend yeah agus during go made to his son and Lena or Mitchell
it's not done Capper Mojo go back curious and Glyphicanish Mar Paul Bo agus Shinner interim agus Bo e Carloch Ivali agus is Camwood Soulcheer the Priv Imachti and Chop. Here Sultan Chop agus Colin Alling scorer to Joe McManus. We all Kildare Chatterish agus Canterfot ag Cathal Dowling or Congo Contadline. Oh, come score Alling for we agus 3 score to Kenneth Feeney on Kistach. Score Alling, but that Leach score on Kildare. They goal in her father numbers ag Jerry Keegan. Keith Higgins and Trent, and Mobby scored Kiltington or Levy, can't touch Keith Higgins and you. Scored Dernoch and Lay, scored ag Paul Dolan. Agus Shin Marvey, Ain Colleen James Burke, Tegin ag Jerry Keegan, agus Moyo, Shane Boland, and Priv Scorley, Akashud, Marshin. Rake on the corner Glach at Brian Byrne on Osnery.
Christy Ring Cup for 2022 will now be presented to the Kildare captain Brian Byrne by Lasso Tron Cumann Nucleus Gael, Kieran McLaughlin.
Boilam Cogarges Anayanu, Kildare, August Mayo, Desanya Honours and Comorta Sportal and you. I want you to put your hands together, please, for both teams for giving us the game. A wonderful game from Kildare's perspective. Obviously, Mayo, fellas, on the day it just wasn't to be for you. But look, you've done well in this competition or in this division this year, and you have to try and push on. I want to congratulate our referee, Michael Kennedy, an up-and-coming referee. And I said at the end of the first game today. For people in the crowd, be under no illusions, we need referees in our games. He's one of an up-and-coming, but we need more. So if anybody out there knows people that are interested, to get in touch with their own counties. Today, yourselves, the people that are left in the ground, are people who care about hurling. And there's no doubt that you people are putting in the work in your clubs and the counties. And these men are delighted that you've come and supported them today. So thank you all very much for yourselves, for supporting your counties. Today, just before I finish, for Brian, it's been a long day for everybody involved in organising these games, but it's important that you fellas got to play in Croke Park in our national stadium, And I just want to acknowledge all the workers in, from the stewards, from the gate people, everybody that's made today work. Thank you all very much. It's more an honour, Dom and Corn, Nicky Rackard, and Ronnie, our captain, Kildare, Brian Byrne.
Dongarrow Orr, Corn Christy Ring, or the Captain Kildare, and Tom Shaw, Brian Byrne, as Nostary. For horses low shoot, and it's estimates, this is Captain.
Carja, all Sorum and Corn Shaw, Glocker, Erson Fern, Kildare. I'll go through my thanks quickly so we can all go home and celebrate this. But firstly to Michael and his officials, it's never easy being the guy in the middle. More than likely there's always going to be someone that says something about the game or whatever, but you're part and parcel of the games that go on here, and so to Michael and his officials for all year round, from the league to the championship now, thanks very much for your time and dedication. To the Mayo team, look, today wasn't your day. We met you earlier on in the group stages, Christy Ring. We got one there, and then you went on a streak of 4 wins in a row. So look, hold your heads up, lads. Keep pushing hurling up there. I know the likes of Toreen and that are pushing it as well. So keep your heads up, lads. Keep fighting. Enjoy the summer, and we'll see you again next year. To our own backroom team, there's a load here, so you may bear with me. But to our stats and analysis guys, Colin and Stephen Nolan, Colin Hoban, and Stephen and Peter Sheeran as well. Lads, you have the stuff up before some matches are nearly finished most of the time, so the dedication doesn't go without everyone seeing it. So to all of you, thanks very much for your time and dedication, lads. To the other guys in their respective roles, Richie Hogan, kitman / counsellor / ball picker, whatever it is, Richie does it. He just does it with a smile and keeps everyone happy in the dressing room. Shane Fagan, our physio. Paula Hearn joined us this year as part of our mental prep. And then Paula Donovan, who's been with us now for the past couple of years in terms of S&C. Lads, your contribution doesn't go unnoticed, and it's greatly appreciated by all the team. To our coaches, Dermo, Decky, Nigel and Sam. Sam and Nigel came in this year, and Dermo and Decky have been with us for a while, but what you brought to the sessions this year, we had 2 aims of the league and the Christy Ring here, so we've got back up to Joe McDonough now. The intensity that you bring to sessions has been second to none. So again, thanks very much for all your commitment during the year. To the main man that fronts the whole thing, David Herity. At this stage now, his life and soul probably belongs to Kildare hurling. Anyone in the team knows that it could be any sort of hour in the day that you might get a call off David Herity, whether he be in school or at home, so-called minding the babies, I don't know, but he puts his life and soul to make us better, to give us that extra bit of a step and to see where we can get to. So from all of us, from supporters, Kildare hurling and the players as well, Dave, thanks very much for your time and effort. To the supporters as well, look, it's a tight-knit bunch with Kildare hurling. You back us the whole time, and hopefully this sort of promotion back up to Joe McDonough now, and in 2A the league will hopefully put a few more people on the bus and names to Kildare hurling as well, and faces. So for travelling the length and breadth of the country between the league and the Christy Ring here as well, lads, thanks very much. And then just finally to the group of players, we have 26 lads that can tog out there today, but there's 9 more as well that brings our panel to 35 who have trained since November 5th. Absolutely everybody, even the 2 guys who can't play at all and are nursing injuries, those guys who spent long and hard trying to get themselves back, and even the guys who are playing and getting time. It's a whole panel effort that has got us this far. A lot of guys worked hard throughout the league and got us here to the Christy Ring as well, so we'll go home tonight and enjoy this and have a few drinks and celebrate, lads.
Martin. Óráid denta Clifford Butsa by Kildare Keller and Nacht on Horn Butsa up on Garrow Or by Shit Ordo came of Fata Moyo by Saka Cartologena and Blinja Hogan Liam Waka Mark pushing Valish Clifford Canish Jerry Rogan Chintev here to Brian Byrne Brian Tatanuas Kildare Vets Keller and Nacht Liam Waka Mori after Denta Aka Peter Nostary August Lauren Conda Ordo came of Fata Aka Tatamachan is level and Ho Imruri. He brass saucer. Thrown on the Ibra. Or the Antina Cup on Lochlanta. Three Clifford-Canish and Agdamora by Clifford-Canish Ella. Tom Shaw, Clifford-Canish Amona. We scored the Heron. Kilhunya, the Limnach. Bio or start simple FBD Norris Eile again of now. August Shinwell Wanya, 3 Clifford-Canish every shot, 3 Woodtor and Shaw, August Kadi Hidor Ella, Long of Hole.